Hi, this is John Morehart, and today I want to tell you the story behind St. Vincent de Paul and CTC pressure cleaning. We decided when we first started that we wanted to help people in the community that were less fortunate. The traffic that's around here that we see right now are being helped by food, clothing, furniture, and sometimes they just need someone to talk to. I have with me right now Sue Bauer, and she is a volunteer that I work with on Fridays, and we work in the furniture department, which is just one of the many departments that we have that service the needy of the county. One of the things that we have evolved into is the hiring of disadvantaged young men that for some reason or another have fallen through the cracks, and what we want to do is to build their self-respect. And we've discovered that one, they have a burning desire to improve their life, and we provide steady employment for them. We provide them with a good direction, a good environment.